In this exercise, I want to demonstrate how to make a box and whisker diagram just to see if the distribution is skewed. I went to your text site, downloaded the problem data, which is a cost of, I think, some sort of chocolate. So what we want to do is we want to get the box and whisker diagram for this data. The first thing we need to do is get the summary data. To get the summary data, go to Data, Data Analysis, Descriptive Stats, OK. And when they give you the input range, I'm going to put all of this and go ahead and put the label. It's already there. Output range, I want the summary stats. Check that. Output range, I'm going to put it right here. And you say OK. This gives you a whole bunch of information that we're going to need later as well. The median is there and whatnot. So I need to get quartiles. So to get the quartiles, I know there's first, second, and third and fourth. And second quartile usually should be the median, always should be the median. So let's assume you've already computed these from scratch. I think you should to learn according to your text instructions. So, but I'm going to use Excel's quick and dirty command, quartile, and it says what's your data? I'm going to give my data and which one? I will say the first one. And then all I got to do is copy it down, but before I copy it down, I have to press F4 so it locks that column for me. Then I can go ahead and pull it down. There is no fifth quartile, so we're good. And this is the median, of course. So let's type median. There it is, median. There it is, median, and I would recommend you create your own median from scratch to see what it means. Now, there are many ways of building the box diagrams, and some of them take a long time. I think I have an easier way of doing it, so I'm going to suggest it to you. So let's highlight this, press Control-C, that's a shortcut for copying, and Control-V, that's Control-V. It'll copy it for you. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to data A to Z. So notice that that's sorted in an ascending order. Then I'm going to create an arbitrary flat line. This is going to be my x-axis. This is going to be my y-axis, as you all know, on the plane of x and y. So for y-axis, I'm going to pick a number that's in the middle of the graph somewhere. As you do more of these, you'll gain a little experience, so you'll see how that works. Say 3. Because I want it to be a flat, parallel line to the x-axis, notice I put the 3 for y, so I'm going to now highlight, insert, scatter, straight line. There's your straight line. Okay, now I'm going to convert this to a box diagram. Now notice that for box diagram, I want to see where is my middle 50% of members of observations or sample. Where are they located? So first I'm going to highlight 0.69 roughly. Rough is good. Rough is okay enough. So there is your 0.69 roughly. And then I'm going to put your 0.09. Where's 0.09? I'm going to click there, and 1.09 is roughly here. So I'm going to put a little square in there. and that should do. I may have to size it, but should do. So I'm going to put it right there, and notice it's huge. So I'm going to shrink it, and then I'm going to move it, and then I'm going to make sure that it fits my borders, meaning the first and the third quartile. So that may take a little time, but not too much. I will adjust it until it's equal roughly. Okay, that looks good, and I want to get rid of the blue color. So go to Home and click that, and click the blank, and it gives you a blank one. And where is 0.88? 0.88 is another point of interest, the median. So 0.88 should be somewhere here, and I'm going to get an eyeball and just put something for 0.88, something like that. Okay. Notice that this is automatically my maximum point. And this is automatically my minimum point. Because those are, there it is, minimum and maximum. So I've got a nice box diagram, fairly quick, much faster than by hand, and much cleaner. And you have it, and it shows that this thing is highly skewed toward the right. So notice that tail is longer, so it's skewed toward the right. And that's all there is to it.